How to find and vet suppliers in China. What nobody tells you are you thinking about sourcing products from China. You've heard the stories. Low costs, huge opportunities, but also horror stories. Scams. Bad quality. A supplier that just vanished. What if I told you that most of those problems aren't a matter of luck, but a failure to follow a proven system? In this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain on sourcing in China, giving you the playbook that nobody else talks about. This isn't just about finding a supplier on a website. It's about building a partnership that makes your business anti-fragile. So, if you're ready to learn the secrets of sourcing like a pro, stick around. You're about to get the guide you didn't know you needed. Section 1. The Foundation, Debunking Common Myths. Myth 1. You can find a good supplier just by searching on Alibaba. Reality. Alibaba is a great starting point, but it's a directory, not a quality control agency. You still must do the work. Myth 2. The cheapest price is the best price. Reality. In sourcing, you get what you pay for. The cheapest quote often means corners are being cut on materials or labor. Quality and price exist on a spectrum. Myth 3. All suppliers are manufacturers. Reality. Many suppliers on B2B platforms are trading companies. They act as middlemen. This isn't always bad, but you need to know the difference. A trading company might offer more flexibility and a wider range of products, but a manufacturer typically offers better pricing and more control over the production process. Check their business license and company name. If their name has trading company or import-export, they're a trading company. If it has factory or manufacturing, they're likely a manufacturer. Section 2. The sourcing funnel. Where to find suppliers. This is the sourcing funnel. We start wide and narrow it down. Here's where you find the initial candidates. Number 1. B2B online platforms. Alibaba, global sources. This is the obvious first step. Use their filters. Look for verified suppliers, trade assurance, and gold status. These are not foolproof, but they are a good first pass. Number 2. Trade shows. Canton Fair, global sources trade show. This is the gold standard if you can go. You can see products firsthand, meet the owners, and get a feel for their companies. Culture. In-person connections, known as guanxi in Chinese culture, are incredibly valuable. Number 3. Sourcing agents. A good sourcing agent is a game changer. They are your eyes and ears on the ground. They know the market, speak the language, and can perform on-site factory audits. This is an investment, but it can save you from costly mistakes. Number 4. 1688.com. This is Alibaba's sister site, but it's for domestic Chinese buyers. Prices are often much lower, but it requires a bit more effort. You'll need to use translation tools and potentially a third-party payment service. Section 3. The vetting process. 5 crucial steps. This is the most important part of the vetting process. You need to make this feel actionable and easy to follow. Number 1. The initial screening and communication. The request for quote. Be extremely detailed. Don't just say I want a widget. Provide a product specification sheet with exact measurements, materials, and quality standards. Initial questions. Ask about their minimum order quantity, MOQ, production lead time, and payment terms. Look for quick, clear, and professional responses. Poor communication early on is a massive red flag. Number 2. Business verification and legal checks. Ask for their business license. A legitimate company will have a business license issued by the Chinese government. You can even use third-party services to verify its authenticity. Look for certifications. Are they ISO 9001 certified? Do they have CE, RoHS, or FCC certifications for your product? This shows they meet international quality standards. Number 3. Requesting and evaluating samples. This is non-negotiable. You must get a sample before placing a bulk order. The sample check. Don't just look at the product. Check the packaging, the speed of delivery, and the overall professionalism of the supplier. This is a small-scale trial run. Number 4. Financial and production vetting. Payment terms. Be cautious if a supplier asks for 100% payment upfront. A standard arrangement is 30% upfront and 70% upon completion or before shipping. Factory audit. For larger orders, consider a third-party factory audit. An auditor will physically visit the factory to check its production capacity, quality control procedures, and working conditions. Number 5. Trust your gut. But verify if something feels off, it probably is. If a deal seems too good to be true, it is. But don't just rely on a feeling. Use the data and the verification steps you've just learned. Section 4. The final steps and pro tips. Number 1. The contract is your shield. Have a detailed purchase agreement. It should include product specifications, quality standards, payment terms, and what happens in case of a dispute. Use a bilingual contract, Chinese and English. Number 2. Quality control is ongoing. Don't assume everything is perfect after the sample. Implement pre-shipment inspections to catch any issues before the goods leave the factory. Number 3. Communication is everything. Use platforms like WeChat for quick communication, but keep important discussions and agreements in a formal, written format like email. Number 4. Build a relationship, not a transaction. In China, business is personal. A long-term relationship can lead to better pricing, priority production, and more flexibility in the future. Conclusion. So there you have it. The sourcing and vetting playbook that nobody tells you about. Sourcing from China can be an incredible advantage for your business, but only if you do it the right way. Now, I want to hear from you. What has been your biggest challenge in sourcing products? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content on building a smarter, more profitable business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.